Senior managers at Stourbridge College identified that there was an issue with success rates, in particular in the electrical team, for the apprenticeship delivery programmes. They noticed that retention wasn't where it should be. We pulled up the improvement team by working with all the staff on the delivery programme, because if there were going to be changes, it was going to be with everyone on board. As part of the improvement team, we used professional dialogue with the support of Paul Neal, the LSIS mentor for the college, and he gave us a bit of a workshop and an insight into what professional dialogue was, so that everyone could understand where it came from and how we could actually use it in our meetings.
The apprenticeship improvement team involved us by inviting us along to an initial meeting to explain their concerns, and then ask us to split into further groups to look at possible solutions in how to improve our apprenticeship retention.
The electrical team responded really positively. Obviously work-based learning forms a big part of our curriculum. If they want to become qualified, then they can't do it without becoming a work-based learner and apprentice, and they were very positive and very proactive.
And having the learner's feedback was key as well, so we did focus groups with the learner so that we had some really key facts to start with and start working on change.
It feeds back to my work in areas that I need to improve and get better on, and they keep each other recently updated on the work I'm doing, the type of work I'm doing, and if I've been there, my behaviour and whatnot. So it's a great bond, really.
The improvement team are supporting us by enabling us to have much more communication between the different teams within the college. We've just been able to get together and we've been given the time and the opportunity to do that, and it means we're much more focused now. We feel like we're one team, not lots of different teams.
Things have improved within the electrical department, especially with regards to tracking and monitoring the students. One of the challenges was the transfer of staff using their own tracking sheets. Every teaching staff has their own method of recording student progress. So by using Pro Monitor, as a manager I can log in and I can see where the progress of all the students are. It forms an electronic ILP, an individual learning plan. So each student's details are recorded on the system. There are what they call at-risk indicators on there, which looks at attendance, progress, smart targets. So at the end of the day we can judge whether a student is on target or not.
We have gone back over some of our at-risk learners and seen why they're at risk, and because of their unsuitable employment for their MVQs, we've taken them away from them and given them new placements which have enabled them to complete their MVQs on time.
It's probably early days in the project to look at those results at the moment. Over the next 12 months we are confident that we're going to see an increase and an improvement on our retention and success figures.
Once the project with LSIS has finished, we want to carry on with it and constantly review where we're at, what impact it's having on our retention and our teaching and learning, and come back to it all the time. We want to then also generate this same enthusiasm across college with the support of LSIS in the next few months, so that they can learn from what we've put in place in the electrical team and pass it on to the rest of the apprenticeship delivery. And then externally we would like also to pass it on to other organisations and make sure that whatever we've learned internally we can pass it on externally.